Hello and welcome to Healthful. We are close to Easter. Children will be looking for some Easter treats that the bunny has left here and there. So we will be making shredded wheat Easter nests today. They will be fun to make. They will be perfect treat and they will be also nutritious. What I will be using here is chocolate. Day to day, I'm trying to make sure that I use high quality chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. It's Easter, it's a treat. I'm going here for milk chocolate. However, I will still top it up with cocoa powder to get that powerhouse of nutrients from cocoa. Let's take those guys and put it into the bowl. Underneath is the boiling water and we're gonna melt them nicely. I completely understand why it's called a feel-good treat, because all those feel-good hormones, endorphins and serotonin are literally being produced in my brain as I smell this lovely chocolate. We have flavonoids here that help fight oxidative stress. We have iron here, important for oxygen transport, so important for our immunity. And also magnesium helps with sleep, so important in energy production as well. Cocoa powder for additional boost of flavonoids, all those feel-good hormones. Here we come. We're also adding flax seeds for the boost of fiber in support of digestion and support of satiety, and healthy fats, the omega-3s, in support of the healthy heart of our children and ourselves. And now we're gonna add shredded wheat with it. I have here about 200 grams. You crush it the way you want it and just see what happens. And that's such a great activity for the children. Shredded wheat is made of whole wheat, so it includes fiber. It also includes a complex of B vitamins, which we need for energy production, metabolism, and also brain functions. And now we're gonna put a little bit of that lovely shredded wheat cocoa mixture into muffin tins. Interesting fact, shredded wheat was actually the first mass-produced ready-to-eat cereal at the end of 19th century. I'm gonna use now some sprinkles to top it up, to make it just colorful. Now we're actually ready to put it into the fridge. Let's take them out. That's how they look. Lovely, colorful, very, very fun. The nests are very firm. You can put them out. You can even add a little more chocolate eggs in there. I'm going for it. Very, very crunchy. Very sweet because of that milk chocolate. But again, it has hidden fiber from those flax seeds. And also cocoa gives additional nutrients here. So let's enjoy this Easter treat.